Hey, wake up, get up.
I'm getting up. Tell Mom I'm coming.
Okay.
Please tell Adam I'm off to the shopping center. And I'd like him to pick me up at 9 p.m.
Okay. Julia woke up. She's coming.
Oh, good.
I remind you to take your pills. It is 9 a.m.
Have you booked the cinema tickets?
Yes. Tickets for 2, 9 p.m.
Thanks. Hey, you doing all right? Not bad, you? Oh, you've got the latest assistant. Where's the old one? It's not an ordinary assistant. She's like family.
Monica wanted to remind you, she's at the shopping center. Please pick her up.
What time?
9 p.m.
What's the time now?
8:35 p.m.
Already, time to go.
Sarah, will you help me with the homework tomorrow?
Of course, my dear.
Good night. Lights off.